Autotrendz welcomes you to an exclusive deep dive into one of the most luxurious, commanding, and technologically advanced SUVs ever created, the 2024 Range Rover SV Long. This is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of power, prestige, and handcrafted excellence designed for those who demand nothing but the absolute best from their drive. The moment you lay eyes on the 2024 Range Rover SV Long, it becomes clear that this SUV exists in a league of its own. The long wheelbase design immediately adds an extra sense of authority and elegance, stretching the silhouette to enhance both road presence and interior comfort. The exterior is clean, minimalist, and undeniably premium, with smooth surfaces, refined lines, and signature Range Rover proportions that communicate confidence without needing excessive aggression. Every detail, from the flush door handles to the precision-finished grille and exclusive SV badging, reflects meticulous craftsmanship. Step inside, and the SV Long transforms luxury into an art form. This cabin feels more like a private jet lounge than an SUV interior. The extended wheelbase allows for exceptional rear seat space, making this model a true chauffeur-driven masterpiece. The SV Signature Suite option takes rear seat luxury to another level with individual executive seats, a full-length center console, deployable tables, refrigerated compartment, and crystal glassware. It's an environment crafted for relaxation, productivity, or pure indulgence. Materials used inside the 2024 Range Rover SV Long are among the finest in the automotive world. Semi-aniline leather, sustainable ultrafabrics, open-pore wood veneers, ceramic controls, and metal finishes all combine to create a tactile experience that feels both modern and timeless. Every surface you touch feels deliberate, solid, and luxurious. Even the stitching is hand-finished to ensure perfection at the closest inspection. Comfort is where the SV Long truly dominates. The seats are not just heated and ventilated, they feature advanced hot stone massage technology, designed to reduce fatigue on long journeys. Active noise cancellation, laminated glass, and acoustic insulation create an almost silent cabin, even at highway speeds. The ride quality is exceptional thanks to adaptive air suspension and intelligent chassis systems that constantly read the road and adjust accordingly. Whether you're gliding through city streets or cruising long distances, the SV Long delivers a magic carpet ride that few vehicles can match. Technology plays a central role in the experience, yet it never feels overwhelming. The Pivi Pro infotainment system is fast, intuitive, and displayed on a high-resolution curved touchscreen that blends seamlessly into the dashboard. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates ensure the SUV stays future-ready. A premium Meridian signature sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio, transforming every journey into a concert-like experience. Rear seat passengers are equally well catered for, with individual entertainment screens, wireless headphones, rear climate controls, and personalized comfort settings. Everything can be adjusted to personal preference, making long journeys feel effortless and relaxing. Under the hood, the 2024 Range Rover SV Long offers powerful engine options that balance performance with refinement. The V8 powertrain delivers effortless acceleration, producing immense torque that moves this large luxury SUV with surprising agility. Despite its size, the SV Long feels composed and confident, with smooth power delivery and refined handling. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction in all conditions, whether on smooth highways or challenging terrain. True to Range Rover heritage, off-road capability remains a core strength. The SV Long is equipped with terrain response systems, adjustable ride height, and intelligent traction management, allowing it to conquer rough landscapes with ease. This dual personality, supreme luxury combined with genuine off-road ability, is what makes the Range Rover brand truly unique. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive and cutting-edge. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and advanced parking assistance work seamlessly to reduce driver stress and enhance confidence. The SV Long doesn't just protect its occupants, it actively anticipates potential hazards to keep every journey safe and controlled. What truly sets the 2024 Range Rover SV Long apart is exclusivity. The SV division allows buyers to personalize nearly every aspect of the vehicle, from unique exterior colors to bespoke interior themes. This level of customization ensures that no two SV Long models are exactly alike, reinforcing the feeling that this SUV is tailored specifically for its owner. Driving the SV Long is an experience defined by calm authority. It doesn't shout for attention, It commands respect through presence, refinement, and confidence. Whether you're seated behind the wheel or relaxing in the rear, the vehicle makes every journey feel special, turning even routine drives into moments of luxury. In a world filled with premium SUVs, the 2024 Range Rover SV Long stands as a benchmark. It represents the pinnacle of modern luxury, blending cutting-edge technology, handcrafted materials, powerful performance, and legendary off-road capability into one extraordinary package. This is not just transportation, it is a lifestyle choice for those who value excellence, comfort, and exclusivity above all else. Autotrendz believes the 2024 Range Rover SV Long is more than worthy of its flagship status. It is a vehicle that doesn't follow trends, it sets them. If you're looking for the ultimate expression of luxury SUV engineering, the SV Long delivers an experience that few rivals can even begin to approach.